My name is Larry, and today we're going to demonstrate how to set the Plasser track stabilizer PTS90C up for work. In the previous videos I showed you how to start up the engine. Now the engine is running. In the main cab, turn the mode switch to the work position. This will perform the following actions: energize the work hydraulic system, turn on the work air system. On the B52 panel, raise the stabilizer unit with the switch for approximately 2 seconds. Then walk outside and release the safety chains. Unlock and lower the stabilizer units with the stabilizer unit switch and the unit's unlock switch. Use the unit shift switch to center the stabilizer units on the rail if needed. When the stabilizer units are on the rail, the switch will briefly flash, and when the switch turns to a solid green, the stabilizer units are in the automatic mode. Depress the gauge compensation push button to extend the gauge compensation axles. The push button will illuminate a solid green when the function is satisfied. Depress the left and right clamp push buttons to close the roller clamps against the head of the rail. On the touch panel, the lasers for both the left and right sides will pick up any cross-level error in the track and show you this error under actual in the work screen. You can add or subtract from the lowering presets, shown in inches, to achieve the desired down pressure. The down pressure has a range of 35 to 45 bar, or approximately 450 to 600 psi. Enter the desired current for index drive on the work screen. The machine is now ready for work. In the next video, I will show you the working of the machine. Thank you and goodbye.